At Matlin Injury Law, everything is personal. The award-winning team aims to do whatever is necessary to defend and fight for their clients. It is an honor to welcome the Brian Matlin, tabbed as the top 40 under 40 when it comes to national trial lawyers, to the loving living local couch. We love your commercials, but now we get to meet you in person. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you guys for having me.
You are living the American dream. Born and raised in Highland Ranch, went to CU Boulder, law degree from University of Denver, and now you've created an empire here across the Front Range. What is the firm all about?
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's an empire. We're growing. We're trying to do things the right way. We're trying to do things the right way. I see a lot of people doing it the wrong way. I've grown up seeing all the TV commercials and heard all the bad stories, and so I was like, you know what, let's build something that's worth building. And so, yeah, just local to Colorado and happy to be serving the community.
Well, let's get to the basics here, Brian. What is a personal injury attorney?
Basically, a personal injury lawyer is somebody who helps anyone who's been injured in a car crash on a premises, so a slip and fall, a dog bite injury. Basically, if you've been injured and it's not your fault, then you could potentially need to hire a personal injury lawyer to help you get the medical treatment that you need and any kind of compensation that you might deserve as well.
What are some fun cases you've been working on over the years? Because you're always winning for your people.
Yeah, I mean, typically what we see is a car crash, so there's nothing too fun about a car crash, but we do have one lawyer, actually, this is the story that I use. It wasn't my case, but she always tells me about how a client was driving down a farm road and then a cow basically flew out of a truck or something and landed on top of the car. And so I was like telling that kind of a story, but somebody got hurt, so it's not really fun, but it's a crazy story for sure.
You could go to a hockey game and the glass could kind of shatter in your face. There's all kind of wild stories out there. Look, You and I can talk about a lot of different avenues, but I know you want to speak on venture capital money. What is that term all about?
Yeah, there's just been a big change in the landscape in personal injury law. There's a lot of big corporations that are coming in and putting money and buying off law firms. A lot of out-of-state firms like California, Florida, Texas, all these firms are coming into Colorado and they're taking over all the law firms, and what they're doing is they're basically screwing over all of the people, and so they're trying to settle quickly so they can get quick money, even though somebody's case might be worth 10 times more than what it is, and they're coming in and they're not taking care of the clients, they're treating their own employees very poorly, and they're putting a bad footprint and we already have a tainted name, right? People call us a bunch of different, ambulance chasers, things like that. And these firms coming in, all this venture capital money coming in is making it a lot worse. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring a personal aspect and trying to help our clients and actually give them the attention that they deserve and do things a lot differently than what we've seen previously and even currently.
You're the head of the snake, Brian, but you've got some incredible teammates that are right behind you, and you've got a 5-star staff. Like, how are you able to stay ahead of the curve with technology and always winning these cases with everybody?
Yeah, it's really just treating everyone well, whether it's a client, an employee, anybody. We view everyone as equal. Just because I'm a lawyer and I have a paralegal doesn't mean I'm any better than them, or just because there's a client who might be coming from a impoverished childhood or whatever, it doesn't mean that they're any worse than any one of us. And so treating everyone fairly, treating everyone with respect is really how you do it, and it's how you build something worth building.
What's that free consultation process like? Maybe somebody just got in an accident and need your services right now.
Yeah, you just call us. I mean, I can give a plug for a number, 719-900-0000. But yeah, you just call us. Jenna's on our front lines. You'll talk to Jenna. You could talk to me if you ever call in. You call and tell us what happened. We'll let you know if we can help, what we can do to help, and if we can't, we'll give you some resources to help you find the help that you need. You
want to shout out any other attorneys on your team? Because it takes a village to be as successful as you guys.
Yep, so Shannon McLeod, Jordan Anhorn, Kia Miller, and Stephen Bonjour, and then me. But that's us. We're lean and we're mean, and we're taking care of Colorado.
If I ever get hit by an 18-wheeler, I know who to call. I got your number saved, 719-900-0000.
Yep.
It's in my phone. Really do appreciate it. Nice to meet you in person,
Justin.
Brian. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Matlin Injury Law is Colorado's premier personal injury firm. They boast over 400 5-star reviews for a reason. Get online and call to speak to a lawyer today and get what you deserve. A big thank you to Brian and the incredible team at Matlin Injury Law for bringing us this morning's segment.